Fíjate, pensé que venía a cortar el pelo, güey. Por eso me miro bien guapo.
One more.
I've been chilling for like an hour. And I realized.
Aquí reportándonos en vivo desde Abraham Performance / Custom Wraps and Collision.
Are you sure that's not the name of his business?
Where they do everything. No, I'm just saying because they got fucking twin turbo kits over there, paint over here.
I make more money doing this shit than that.
Y eso que ni trabajas.
Imagine if trabajara, güey.
Man, if you actually spend 8 hours at your shop,
I do, actually more.
stop it.
Did you try spray or qué pasó? No, the little gas cap. There was that one body work. That way I have primer, different color primer. You see it?
Oh, you deleted it.
Abuelita, Batman.
You told him to delete it.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
I was here when you told him, Papa.
You told me to delete it.
I'm going to put gas.
In that gas tank.
I got the
What the hell is a sealer?
like a primer.
Oh, and then the paint,
Yep.
and then the clear,
No, then the candy.
and then the candy,
And then the candy, and then the fucking paint.
and then the clear, and then the clear. No, hold on. You said sealer, candy, paint.
No. Sealer,
Sealer,
which is red, I'm the truck. And then your pink fucking base.
pink base,
And then the candy, the red tint, and then the
candy,
candy.
and then clear.
Yeah.
You're doing that tonight?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to do it all, but it doesn't get too cold. I know how to do. I should do. If it doesn't get too cold, I could do the sealer and the base. And then if it's too cold, the candy's like no pega.
I don't know. I don't know much about paint. I think it looks beautiful. That's gonna be the nicest truck I've ever owned, and it's already sold.
You already saw me?
It's pending. That goes in the blooper section.
Question, when it comes so serious in the videos?
Because it's a fucking serious matter of what needs
No,
to get done.
no, Neta, like, why do you should be yourself? That's like,
I am
He
myself.
gets camera
no,
shy.
he gets like really
He
serious
gets
and he,
camera shy.
like, fucking just be yourself. Fuck.
I'm shy.
Swing your dick like it is. Don't fucking be sugarcoating it.
That's right. You know what? Let those 12 inches fucking swing. Fuck it.
No, but I started trying to be off
Don't say anything right now.
You don't want me anything for the bloopers?
Shut up. Nothing for the bloopers. We're getting fully sponsored by Abraham's Paint.
Mira.
Paint Direction.
So who's gonna help me right now?
What do you need?
Somebody to clean it down?
Wipe it down?
Wipe it down?
¿Con qué? A ver.
You look like a little Teletubby right now. It's so cute. Fuck you. You saw that? I just needed to wipe down. That thing looks like new. So the final color on the truck is a color made by you or a color from a different car?
Made by me.
So you kind of
I made the color.
combined it, and
Well, I fucked around and made the color. I made a whole bunch of samples.
this is what we liked, and this is the Abraham special.
This is what I like.
This is what I liked that you showed me.
Because I liked it.
So it's a custom paint job.
I showed you what I liked and you liked it.
So I like what you like.
Yeah.
That's what you showed me.
Because I made more, yeah.
See, I'm an easy guy to please, it looks like, huh?
Yeah. So I had to make more.